This plant justifies the name Old Man Cactus. It is not only because of being covered with silvery white hair, but also because it can live for a very long time. Old Man Cactus is perhaps the most popular for cultivation as a house plant. The plant comes from Mexico and grows in those areas which remain dry for a long time. The plant's hair is a very effective means of protecting it against the sun and minimizing water loss due to evaporation. Old Man Cactus may grow to a height of 6 meters and live for 200 years. Those grow as house plants rarely grow taller than 60 centimeters. The plant is easy to look after, but it needs careful watering and as much warmth and sun as possible in the summer for good growth. Repot every 3 to 5 years. Use compost made from equal parts sand and loam-based potting compost. Water generously in summer, but only when the compost is thoroughly dry. In winter, avoid watering altogether to prevent rot. Feed only once or twice in the summer, using a weak solution of liquid fertilizer or a tomato-type fertilizer. The plant needs the sunniest possible position in summer, so it should be grown in a sunroom, conservatory, or greenhouse. If this is not possible, put it in a south-facing window. It will thrive in the hottest temperatures in summer. In winters, room temperature is adequate. Given the right conditions, the plant may live for years in the home.
Thanks for watching.